Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line ricochet. That goes for all three indices. Buy stop. Back to the 1 minute blue line of NQ and NAS. It was a free money giveaway, actually. That's as free money as you can get, and I'll explain how and why. Yeah. Yeah, I believe we're live there. Let's see over here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Buy stop. Ricochet to the NQ 1 minute blue line, and it's also going to go up on SPX ES1 and US 30 and YM1. All right, getting everything set up. Good morning to everybody. Buy, stop, ricochet, back to the blue line, NQ1. It just hit its 1 minute blue line. This is a free money trade for NAS, NQ1, ES1, and SPX 500. Morning, everybody. Good morning. Coming to you from outside of Atlanta. Today is the 22nd. We're calling immediately right now for an NQ1.
I am not a financial advisor.
You're about to see these just do this exact little thing right here. Hook, come down and come up. It's going to hook, come down and come up. That's what you're going to see over the next several minutes. Market open in less than 4 minutes. About 3 minutes to market open. I'm calling for a pullback and then a buy stop. So a buy stop at market open to be specific. I'll be trading past market open this morning. Less than 3 minutes to market open. And I barely even got this set up. Let's see. Yeah. Good morning, Botnator. What's up, Botnator? Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Thomas. Good morning, John. Good morning, Persistent and Matt. What's up, Kirk? Good morning, Jan in China. Mike Glowinski and Ellen. All right. Yeah, we are live on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Calling for a very specific Ricochet Sia song or something like that. I don't know who actually sings it. I always said it was what's her face. It wasn't. Good morning, Super Z. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Aussie Trader, Azor, user 5541, user 62403. Good morning, Ryan. Market open in less than 2 minutes. You're going to see that pull down like I have right there. Then it's going to pull and hook and come back up. Market open in less than a minute. Buy stop all three indices, specifically SPX, ES1, NQ1, and NAS. Out of all the ones I love the best, it's NAS and NQ1. And you'll see those two flip here soon. Good morning, Brexit. Good morning, Jake. He's called Jacob for 2 years, and of course his name's Jake, but it's hard to remember everybody's name, I swear to goodness. All right, I missed you guys last few days. It was my birthday. Thank you for all the birthday wishes. Me and my wife just had a real nice time. She had a little party for me out back, and then family. Market open, market open. Excellent. The further this goes down, the better. Let's bring this way down then. Buy stop. NS1 and Q1 and NAS. Buy stop. SPX 500. Follow this down. If it never comes back up, so much the better, but I'm going to go ahead and trail these down. Let's see what we got here. Maybe a 3 minute, 5 minute. Oh, Jesus, I get for not looking. There are 5 minute sell stops in place. That's my fault for not looking. But I don't care. Beautiful. 1 minute buy stop, all indices. 5 minute sell, 7 minute sell. I don't care. There's got to be a higher time frame buy up here. There we go. 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop, all indices. Here. Take profit one, $25,096.69. Take profit two is $25,139. That's for NAS. Let me see NAS a little higher time frame. Yeah, I went to record highs off the 12-hour. Those 12-hour buys are going to be something for options, I'll tell you that. 12-hour daily, yep. Do we have a 12-hour on any of the other? Yes, we did. We had a 12-hour at SPX yesterday. Let me see what day this was. 16th, 4 days. So yeah. See, so that's going to be the rule. We're going to be able to do options on, oh my gosh, we'll be able to roll over into Nadex options too. Oh, wonderful. Anywho, buy stops across the board, 1 hour, all indices. Just gorgeous. I love this pull down. Be patient. We'll come back to those. I'm going to stay on for a little bit. Not too long, maybe about another hour. Cancel. We'll do like an hour 10. All right. Wait for these to turn back to green. That's how you know when this flip happens. I probably will get a message. You'll see the 5 second, 10 second, and then start playing the 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minutes, and so on. They'll flip around later today, or probably later this morning, actually. But we'll just sit here and wait. We're in zero rush. Your sells here are creating these 30-minute buys and the 1 hour buys that I called for you. You see how this works? Works exactly like my brain. It's so fucking cool. Keith, love you, my brother. You outdid yourself on that one. All right. Does anybody have any questions over anything? I'm going to get started on back testing the BriBot. What's up, Card Man? What's up, A Patriot? What's up, Smith? Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Jake and Brexit. The Russell 2000. Yeah, I can check the Russell 2000. It's the same as the rest of them. We'll look at it for you. Okay. Let's see, short term. Don't really care. 4-hour buy. The Russell 2000, same as any of the other indices, by the way. It tracks the exact same. It was a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. You could have got in at 204. It's gone up to 252. It's already to its high. Nothing more to call. It's a closed trade. It's going to do the short-term sell, just like you see the others doing, and then you're going to see it flip right, and then it's going to come up. That's all. So it is a 5-minute sell to $244.41. And then it turns into, same as the others, I'm sure. Yeah, 1-hour buy stop. Take profit of $249.64 and then $253.19. And that is the Russell.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You're welcome, card man. It's the best day ever. Love from Canada. Any chance of looking at GLDG? Good morning, Mr. Gold. GLGD. All right. Some kind of gold mining or something? I'm not sure what this is. Sell, sell, sell. How low is she going? Sell towards the 45-minute blue line at $1.30. I personally like the 7-hour buy. I remember calling this the other day. I don't remember liking it, but let's see what I was seeing. I don't know if that was a 12-hour or something buy we had back then. Daily. Sure looks just like gold. Daily, weekly buy, but it's got to come back down again. All right, I told you to sell, buy $1.78, take profit, $1.98, take profit, $2.04, take profit, $2.94, take profit. Yeah, they don't give me enough history right here to be able to call it long term. That's the problem. Yeah, I'd rather not check on that every day for you, but there it is this time. I'll check it for you.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, A Patriot. Good day, Mr. Gold. Welcome back. I know you're always here, or mostly always here. All right, we're going to do some, anybody has any other symbols you want me to check for you? We are doing some checking now on the BriBot single symbol. Okay. So let's see. Well, anyway. All right. let's see what we're doing here on the BriBot. We're currently waiting on the buy stops to kick in. Probably already did actually on some. Buy stop all indices across the board 1 hour. Just be patient. Good morning, Barani. We are doing our first check. And they're saying a trade execution. That would be incorrect. Why would there be a trade right there? There shouldn't even be a reset. Now this is correct. Stop loss, take profit. Yep, yep. First time, yep. Interesting. So this is I'm checking every hour on the hour to see if everything's looking good, which it is. But it seems like it's calling out an extra one right here, so we're going to have KeyJ on that. And it didn't call the 4 hour. And you can clearly see the 4 hour was here. It should have called that. So let's take a look again. I don't know what's all coded though. I believe the 4 hour is coded. So the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour is coded. Let's take a look. Good morning, Sally. Great morning to you too, Sally. We're currently checking the BriBot single symbol to see what it's doing. See, it should have caught that 4 hour. Obviously right there. So it should have caught the 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see why. Let me get this captured. Morning, everybody. Morning, KJ. Looks like the 1 hour single BriBot is firing off an extra. There shouldn't have been a call right there. And it's missing the 4 hour one, but it calls the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour perfectly. An extra 1 hour though, right there. And then there isn't a 4 hour. It's kind of weird. But anyway, we'll go over that later. This is just to remember to do it. Thanks. Hope you're having a good day. Okay, so that was KJ. And we'll tweak that stuff up and see why it did that. And that's good enough for now, actually. I'm happy with that. Let me see if this 30-minute was called. Yep, 30-minute. Good morning, MC. Good morning, Barani. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Does anybody have any questions this morning? I do need to go over a couple things here. You're in profit on all. Why didn't anyone tell me? Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, free money giveaway. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line, all indices. I guess someone mentioned that to me, but there you go. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line, all indices. You're in an awesome profit on every buy stop I called this morning. That was easy money. That was the easiest money you're going to get this morning. All right. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Where's everybody at? What's up, Matt Parker? Sally, MC. What's up, buddy? All right, waiting these to go to the 30-second blue line. Easy peasy trades. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it for this morning. TikTokers, you have any questions before I go? All right, God bless you on TikTok. Everyone have a wonderful day. YouTubers, any questions before I roll? Just waiting for the ricochet, come back up to 30-second blue line, all indices. I'm not going to do anything else. Let me see if I can get a hold of KJ. All right, guys, on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live, God bless y'all. Have a good day. I doubt I'll be on later today.